Oh yeah, damn sexy and geek to the max. Ah, finally, I got myself a DTV60 oscilloscope from Farnell, 60 MHz version. Apparently, that's not a slow one. Now, why am I putting this on my second channel? Well, because at the moment, I have no clue how to use this. And at the moment, it has no probes. It shall have probes, because there are probes coming my way from the department I got this from, which we shall refer to as the Big Bang Theory department, if you understand what I mean. Now, I've already tested this as far as I can, because basically me testing this involves going until it does something. I am intending to use one of these because I want to use one of these for fixing computers for analysis of circuits and stuff. One of the guys went down to the department and happened to mention I was after some electrical testing equipment, and the department said, "You're lucky, we've got some going out at the moment. Would you like to have one of them fully working?" So I went along and bit their hands off. So, plugged in, let's have a look. It was doing stuff, now it's not. Reset. Ah, there she goes. Beautiful. Apart from that, there we go. Well, that's as much as I can get to do at the moment. So, if anybody can get a manual for this or anything like that, that would be useful, or any information. Probes are coming my way. If they can't get probes, they're only about £10 on eBay, hopefully, if I'm not being naive. Also, hopefully getting a signal generator for her. Shall we have a quick look around? Alright. Okay, so, this is the front, obviously, with the CRT flashing away there. Haha! All these controls, some of you may know what these mean, some of you may not. Eventually I hope to be able to understand these. At the moment, I am as ignorant as you. That gives you clues to where it came from. Do not use often, but we can ignore that. On the back, handles and rear end stuff. So yes, I am very grateful for the department for digging this out for me, because it had already gone into storage to go to its new home. Well, they had several and they gave them away to schools, but they said as I want one, I could have one, and they get me some extra stuff for it. So I'm very pleased, because you can test resistors, circuits, all sorts with this, and yes, I shall be learning lots, hopefully, using this. Now, one problem we do have, I want to put this on top of this potentiostat for storage, but it has this handle. Isn't that a bugger? That means we're going to have a look inside to get rid of that handle. Oh yeah, I'll be right back if I don't electrocute myself. Right, a few minutes later and the top is off. Let's go have a look. Yes, nice, big, long CRT. Isn't that nice? Look, proper electronics. And they all look in a nice, healthy condition. Danger high voltage. Do not touch. Bad idea. Look at this for a look at that transformer. Actually see all the individual wrappings. I believe it's a transformer. Correct me if I'm wrong. And welcome to suggestions. And yes, similar age to the potentiostat, and you can see the electronics, even the board, done in a similar style. So there you go. We've got the top off this side. We've removed the handle from the cover, so we're going to put it back together, and we'll show you in its new home beneath the serial terminal and above the potentiostat, hopefully. Right, I'll be right back. Thank you very much. Oops, a slight interruption to the video, but I can't resist this. Do you know what it is yet? Sorry. Right, I'll continue working now. Roar! It's the Geek Club TV. Hello! Right, good news, bad news. Bad news? It didn't quite fit under the serial terminal. It did, but it looked huge and it was ridiculous. Good news is, you're going to be seeing more of it, because at the moment, it's found a home. Right in the Geek Club. Right front centre stage under the Amiga. So, obviously when it's in use that Amiga will have to come off because that gets hot. So, there we go. I'll be making a video of this on my main channel when I get it fully working and can demonstrate it properly. That's going to take a few years then. But yes, so thank you very much to the people who sorted this out for me. Much appreciated, and I shall be making use of this someday soon. Thank you all very much.